Good morning students. Today we are revision class 5th lesson detail. Now you see. Write a brief account on pollination. Transfer. What is the pollination first? Transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma is called pollination. There are two types of pollination: self-pollination, cross-pollination. Self-pollination. Pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma of the same flower plants to do need to the produce pollen grains in the large quantity for self-pollination. It does not produce changes in the characteristics of new plant. So next, cross-pollination. Next you see that cross-pollination. Pollen grains are transferred pollen grains transfer for the anther of one flower to the stigma of anther flower of the same kind or different plant. Plants need to produce pollen grains in the larger quantities to increase the chance of pollination. Cross-pollination does introduce the variation in characters of your new plants. Example, apples, plums. Agents like wind, water, insect and animals are helpful for pollination and are known as pollinator. Wind pollinated plants produced pollen which are light. Insect pollinated flowers are brightly colored and produce lot of pollen which sticks to the body of insects and are caused to other plants. Pollination that occur in nature is called natural pollination. Pollination between desired plants can be brought about by artificial methods. So second question, you see second question. Explain the underground stem. There are some stems that grow under the ground to store food. These underground stems swell and become thick. There are 4 types of underground stems: rhizomes, corm, tuber, bulb. Rhizomes. It is on underground stem, thick stem which nodes and internodes with scale leaves at the nodes. It grows horizontally and has an irregular shape. Rhizomes have buds. It gives rise to new stems and leaves. Example, ginger and turmeric. Corm. This underground stem is round in shape and flat at the top and bottom. It is condensed from rhizome and bear one or more buds in the axil of scale leaves. Daughter plants arise from their buds. Example, colocasia. Tuber. It is an enlarged spherical underground stem that stored food. It has many dormant buds and on its surface known as eyes. If we plant a part of tuber with a bud, it grows into a new plant. Example, potato. Bulb. It is considered the stem which it is disc-like and store food in the fleshy leaves. The bulb has 2 types of leaves: fleshy leaves, scaly leaves. The upper part of the stem has the terminal bud and it's covered by the many scaly leaves. In the inner fleshy leaves, stored food as the seed in the garlic and onion. Today the revision question answer. You thorough with this 2 question answer will be come to the exam. Okay, thank you children.